Hello everyone. Here I am with super handy cleaning hack for kitchen exhaust fan filter. All it needs is just 3-minute light scrubbing. No overnight soaking, no hard scrubbing for hours together. Let's get started how to make it clean like new and shiny. This is my exhaust filter from 1 year. Got very greasy. First and foremost, use the tray underneath to collect the grease. I prefer not to do this directly in sink as it makes pipes greasy. I'm going to use heavy duty oven cleaner, specifically the 3 times faster one. Shake a little and start spraying all over the filter. This cleaner smells a bit strong, thus don't forget to wear a mask. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes max. Notice that it's going to deep clean by degreasing. As you see, most of the grease got off at the bottom. Wear gloves and scrub lightly with brush. Notice how I'm scrubbing gently. I don't have to scrub hard. Scrub all over the filter back and forth through the edges. This took me around a minute. Now wipe off with a tissue. This is super greasy. Pour some water to let grease run down. Scrub gently for 2 more minutes. You'll see all grease is gone. As a caution, don't pour greasy liquid in the sink. It's going to stick to sink pipes. Rather pour into Ziploc bag and trash in dustbin. Now it's safe to run under tap in sink. It got clean enough. For extra safety, if you want, you can do last round of cleaning with dish liquid to get rid of the chemical. Pat dry or dry it out completely. As you see, it's super clean and shiny like new in just few minutes. It's ready to use now. Isn't it amazing? Absolutely lifesaver. Hope you like my hack. See you again with many more useful tips and awesome recipes. Thanks for watching.